Everyone is talking about AI infographics right now, but honestly, most of them look exactly the same. Same layout, same color, same boring output. That's not because the tool is bad, it's because people are using it wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning, unique infographics using NotebookLM for free. Plus, I am giving you a ready to use style prompt so yours don't look generic again. Let's get started. If you haven't used NotebookLM yet, it's a free AI tool from Google. You can upload any content like a PDF, website link, YouTube video, even your own notes. It turns those content into summaries, podcasts, mind map, now infographics. This feature is powered by Google Gemini model and it's honestly one of the best free AI feature out there right now. Let me show you how it works. First go to notebooklm.google.com and click try NotebookLM. Click OK. Here we need to upload our sources. This can be a PDF, website URL, YouTube link, Google Docs, or even your plain text. So I'm going to upload my sources. So as you can see, the sources are getting added. On the right hand side, you will see a studio panel with different features available. We are going to see infographic for now. For generating infographic, you will get two options. Either you can click on infographic for a quick generation, which lets NotebookLM to decide everything, or you can customize by clicking on the arrow icon. Let's click here. There are many language options available here. You can choose the one you want, and also you can choose your infographic orientation. Either it can be a landscape, portrait, or a square. I'm going to let it be in landscape. So here are the different types of visual styles which are available right now for creating the infographic. From here you can choose the style you want, or you can let it be in auto select. You can adjust the level of detail in your infographic by selecting concise, standard, or detailed. I'm going to let it be in standard, and here we need to describe the infographic style which we want to create. This is where most people get stuck. They either leave the prompt blank and get a generic output, or they type something like make it colorful. The result, every infographic look the same. But watch what happens when I use a specific style prompt. So I'm going to enter my prompt and click generate. It has started generating the infographic with the resources which we have selected. Let's wait and see. The infographics has been generated. Let's open it. See the difference? That took 60 seconds and looks like a professional designer made it. And this is just one style out of 20 which I have prepared for you. Let me show you the prompt which I have used for this infographic. So this is the spreadsheet that contains a collection of style names, their prompts, and the best use cases. You can access these prompts for free in the description below. Now I'll show you what different styles of infographic prompts will look like. This infographic is in sketchnote style, which is perfect for lecture summaries and meeting minutes. It uses organic lines and handwritten feel. This one is in anime battle style. It contains a strong dramatic action lines, great for product comparisons and competitive analysis. This one is a blueprint style, perfect for product deep dives and engineering explanations. This one is a kawaii doodle style and it looks adorable. This one even makes dry education topics feel fun. This one is a cyberpunk style which has a electric blue text, dark glitches, textures, turn any tech topics into something that looks straight out of a Blade Runner. This one is a chalkboard style which is perfect for tutorials and back to school content. This one is a mind map flow which is clean, organic layout with the central hub. Best for brainstorming sections and knowledge mapping. And finally, this one is a vintage style which gives a old world aesthetics for historical narratives or literary content. These are just 8 out of 20 styles. You can test the other styles as well. NotebookLM can do way more than just infographics. It can generate podcasts, slide deck, mind map, quizzes, and even more. If you want me to do a full deep dive tutorial on everything about NotebookLM can do and its latest features, drop a comment saying full tutorial. I'll make the next for you. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.